Hey guys, welcome to another video. So lately I have been doing horse riding. So I actually have been doing horse riding for a long time. But everybody does horse riding at the same time and they can't record me. So I've got 4 videos here that I can show you, and the video that's going to come up first is me cantering for my first time on a horse called Blackie. He's so cute, so I hope you enjoy. And at the end of the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe in the subscriptions, and leave a comment down below. So thanks guys.
See where you go. Stand up. Stand up. Okay.
Thanks guys so much for watching. So bye, and I hope you enjoyed.